If you're searching for the best marketing courses on Coursera, you've probably noticed there are hundreds of options. In this video, I'll show you the top 3 marketing courses on Coursera based on ratings, reviews, popularity, certification value, and credibility. Before we begin, check the discounted Coursera Plus link in the description. Right now, you can save 40% on your first 3 months of Coursera Plus. At number 3 is Marketing Strategy by IE Business School. This beginner-friendly specialization has a 4.5-star rating with more than 6,300 reviews. You'll learn market research, product strategy, customer acquisition, marketing analytics, and strategic decision-making. It's a great choice if you want to build strong marketing skills for business or management roles. At number 2 is Digital Marketing by the University of Illinois Urbana-Champaign. This highly respected specialization has a 4.7-star rating with over 23,000 reviews. It covers digital marketing campaigns, customer engagement, social media marketing, digital advertising, marketing tools, and data-driven marketing. It's ideal if you want a complete digital marketing education from a leading university. Taking the number 1 spot is Introduction to Marketing by the University of Pennsylvania. This course has earned a 4.8-star rating from more than 13,000 learners. It covers branding, customer analysis, marketing strategy, product marketing, target markets, and promotional strategies. If you're new to marketing, this is one of the best places to start because it builds a strong foundation before moving into advanced topics. Now here's why many learners choose Coursera Plus instead of buying courses one by one. Individual learning programs usually cost between $49 and $79 per month. If you complete several courses or specializations, the total cost can become expensive. Coursera Plus gives you unlimited access to thousands of eligible courses, professional certificates, specializations, guided projects, and hands-on labs from more than 350 leading universities and companies. That means you can learn marketing, AI, business, data analytics, and much more with one subscription. With the current promotion, you'll pay just $35.40 per month for your first 3 months instead of the regular $59. That's an excellent deal if you want to earn multiple certificates. If you're serious about learning marketing, check the discounted Coursera Plus link in the description before the offer ends.